Okay, we're going to talk a little bit about putting in lighting. And it's important that you do this so that you can add a nice little effect and make your house a little bit more realistic. The most important thing to remember is that you need a ceiling. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to come over to my ceiling plans over here on the left and double click on level 1. That'll bring me to my ceiling plan, which is the exact same thing as my level 1 floor plan, just with different properties. So level 1. Here we go. In this menu up at the top, watch my mouse, we are going to go over to the very bottom of this menu and find View Range and click on Edit. What I want you to do is to change all of this to what you see on my screen. You might want to pause it right now so that you can look at this and your screen and set it to the exact same thing. Unlimited, 1 foot, and then hit everything and OK. The reason why is now you'll be able to see your kitchen. Now I know where I want to place my lights. So I go to Component, Load Family, Lighting, Internal, blah blah blah, Recess Can. That's what I'm going to use. It's already loaded. And now I place them in. So I like lighting in lots of areas. Put it above my island, make it look nice. I'm going to put a table over here. Don't put too many. Alright, done. You may ask yourself, why are we doing that? Well, that's for this next step, making realistic images. So you're going to come up to this 3D view, which you are used to, and you use your camera. Start your camera pretty far away and always drag past your walls. If you drag here, that's where your image stops. Drag it all the way. It'll give you a 3D view. Look at how little I have compared to what you probably have. There's all my recessed lights. There's all my cabinets, not even done. Great. Reason why we do this, up at the top, switch to view, and you have this render option. What you want to render is an image. Start off on draft to see if you like it, but most important is lighting. The scheme that you change is interior sun and artificial if you have a lot of lights, or if you just want the lights on the inside to be on. You click that. So I'm going to do this, let it render real quick, and you'll see the lights come down and shine on my cabinets, and we'll see how long this takes. Okay, 52 seconds, not bad. So now I see a realistic rendered image of my kitchen. You should also see the same thing. If not, just double check. Now, if it's too dark, click on this adjust exposure, and you could always just play around with this exposure value. You want to make it brighter, go ahead. You do this, I'm going to drag it a little bit, hit apply. You'll see your image get a little bit brighter. If you like that, great. Hit OK. And what you're going to do is you're going to export this image. So you export that image to some place where you're going to save it, preferably your H drive. Okay? And take it from there. So save images. You're probably going to want to save about 7 or 8 different views and angles of your images. Okay? Render 6 or 7 images.